Hello everyone, this is Padlock. Welcome to my channel and welcome to vlog 126 of the hashtag 365 hour series. In the vise today we have a big chunky union padlock. This one doesn't have a key, so I'm not entirely sure if this one opens. I don't know, I'm going to tension this one from the bottom anyway. I don't know if that's tension yet, we'll try. No. Try the top. And we'll try a different tool. There we go. Got it open with the old twin peak. Absolutely buzzing with that. Look at that bad boy. Big chunky mother trucker. So yeah, happy with that. First open, got it undone on camera. About a minute and a half with the old, trusty old twin peak. And this is one from the echelon set, but it can be done. I mean, I might well have been able to single pin pick that, but I found it easier and more enjoyable doing it with a rake. That's just kind of my style, my technique, but it works. So, you know, happy with that. So yeah, vlog 126 complete. Hope everyone enjoyed that one. Enjoyed doing that one. I wasn't entirely sure if that would come open. So yeah, glad it got to come open. Bad boy. Thank you very much for watching. Hope everyone has an amazing day. See you later.